kare ndingada ndakakuratidza video yemuchato
Long ago, I could have shown you the wedding video.
tinayo video but hapana anofa akaiona.
We have that video, but no one is ever going to see it.
Asi matela mwari ngavaregerere.
May God have mercy on all the tailors.
Takawana umwetela.
We found the tailor.
Inini na best wangu. Pastor,
Me and
the late Pastor Kwaram.
my best man, the late Pastor Korama.
Matanosonesa masutu edigo.
And we went and we got our suits tailored there.
Yeah. But I blame somebody for that. Yeah. I think Pastor Zuba gave me the contact. Pastor Zuba, yes, he gave me the contact of that tailor. Chokutanga masuta anakupedzwa on time.
First of all, these suits were not done on time.
Diere muchato
On the day of the wedding,
masuta anga asati auya.
the suits were yet to arrive.
Ndomba anza auya.
And finally they got them.
Andiri muri kuona mabutton aya
You see these buttons?
angari papa.
They were on the inside of my wrists.
Saka kuti auye uku
So for them to be on the proper position,
ndaida isoka
I had to twist the cuff.
wobva wamira
And they
wakadai.
have to stand almost at attention.
Izvi
The shoulder pads.
kutaura zvinhu chaizvo.
I'm telling you the exact things.
Ukasunga zviri tight kuti ndi kudai so.
If you'd actually close the buttons.
Idzi dzanditi. Saka zviri ku homwe idzi dziri twins. Ndikachoka ndikakotama so unoona homwe idzi.
Because you turn around and bend over, you'd actually see the inside of the pockets.
Ndoye muchato.
And that was my wedding suit.
Life guy.
That's life, right?
So you won't understand Uti. But this person, I can't measure.
This person measured.
Sheesh.
Who's this?
Ukada kuti life ive neorder ihondo.
If you want your life to have order, it's a war. It's a war.
Life kuti ive neorder.
For your life to be organized, it's a
Kurwa
war.
umire.
You fight tooth and nail.
Because zvinhu zvikuda kungoenda wrong chete every day.
Because things want to go
by
awry.
default zvikuda kuti kungoenda wrong.
Every day.
Kurwa.
It's a fight.